Calaquachera, here we are at Utrecht Cathedral. Do look at this so big cathedral. We will have a look what is inside of cathedral. This tower actually and the church are together before, but they separated because of the war. But we will have a look inside. Come and join us. So nice. This torre. Yan, papunta sa center. This is the back of the, this is the branch side of the church. Ayan o. We will go there inside. Doon kami galing kanina. But this is to go inside Utrecht Church. So we will have a look. I think it's also a museum already na. Yung kanilang church. Ayan o. So this is the church. May museum na lang. So this is the church. Oh, so big. So huge and big. And normally this is the church is like this. Look how big it is. And now it's separated. You see?
Yeah,
they bombed the
open.
Yeah, they bombed that one. So
This is how it was.
wow, so big. Church here in Utrecht. Ang laki. Grabe. Laki ng simbahan nila, oh. Laki ng kanilang ano. Using the church anymore. I think it's a Protestant church now. Yeah. So but look, ang laki ng kanilang ano. That's the piano, organ, oh, laki-laki oh. Super laki ng organ, di ba? So this is the inside church of Utrecht Cathedral. So may nakalibing dito yan. Who is this one? Buried here?
The emperors.
Ayan, emperors na nakalibing dito. German emperors were buried here. Ayan. We are in the altar now. So, super laki ng church nila. So, it's Utrecht Church. And you can look.
Their intestines are here.
The intestines are here. So, you can go around here at the back. Ayan, pwede kang pumunta rito sa likudan. You can go around at the back. So, ito yung likudan na. Look. This is the back side of the altar. There's the altar. Where Choten came from the altar. And this is the back side of the altar. There's the ano here. We will have a look during the war. Oh, they destroy. Oh, look. They destroy.
They destroyed all the faces in those years.
Oh.
Just the faces, because this is what the Protestants did. Huh?
Yeah. So this is the god actually, Anna Maria. Oh, they destroyed this.
Up there was God.
Oh, that's the god of.
Pretty
Look.
much there.
And then they destroy it.
Anna Maria, Jesus.
So somebody buried their emperor, right? So ito yung kabilang side.
You see